From the moment we wrapped our first Cybertruck using Supergloss blackout film from Nuys, I couldn't wait to share with you this moment, because today we have the Supergloss black out as well as the brand new Supergloss white out. How cool is this? Two Cybertrucks wrapped in Supergloss film, black and white, and now it's all about you guys. I really want to hear which one is better. Which one do you prefer? Supergloss black or Supergloss white? Now, while there's no wrong decision, I think we could both agree that individually, they both look great, and together, that's kind of special. I can only imagine how great this would be if these two trucks showed up at an event together or driving together on the road. Super cool. But we're over here filming today, and I'm really excited to share both of these with you to hear from you guys, which do you prefer? Now, diving a little bit deeper into what we've done here, as you can see on this Supergloss black truck, we have installed our 22-inch CT7 fully forged wheels, finished in satin black. This is a size up from the stock 20-inch wheels. And on the white truck, we have the same wheel, the CT7, but that is using the 20-inch tire that actually came with the truck. This is a 20-inch wheel and looks very similar, but also very different. Not only because of the size of the wheel, but because the tires on the 22s are actually Falcon all-terrain tires. So this is a little bit of a different look. It's a better tire, I believe, than the Goodyear tire that comes with the truck. But again, I'm just happy to share both of these trucks with you guys today. And again, I really want to engage. I really want to hear from you guys which one is going to be the most popular color for 2024. So far, Supergloss Blackout has been winning. Satin White and now Supergloss White are catching up really soon. It'll be very interesting to see which one will prevail. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.